How to change WhatsApp status horizontal to vertical. First of all, let's navigate and open WhatsApp app on your phone. Once you are inside, tap on the Updates tab in the bottom menu. This page will show all the status updates from your contacts, and if you are seeing them in horizontal way, you can switch them to a vertical layout by removing any channels you have followed one by one. As you remove them, you will see the layout change instantly. If that doesn't fix the issue, go back to the home screen. Here, find the Google Play Store or App Store and open it on the screen. Once the store is open, use the search bar to type WhatsApp and hit search to get results. Once you get the search results, tap on it to open its page. Here, if you see Update button, make sure to update your app to the latest version. And that's it. This is how you can switch your WhatsApp status from horizontal to vertical. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel and thank you for watching.